You should learn English as a thumbnail designer. There is definitely a reason behind it why I'm actually saying this. So let me just tell you about myself a little bit. If you don't know me, I'm actually a thumbnail designer who make thumbnails, where I have worked with multiple clients, mostly Indian clients. But why actually am I telling you to learn English? So there is a simple one reason behind it. So whenever you work with the Indian clients, you have to put so much efforts in your work, and you still not going to get the money that much effort you are putting in your work. Because we are Indians, we always bargain about everything. It doesn't matter if you are a big company or a big YouTuber or something like that. As an Indian, you always going to bargain about everything. So in India, mostly graphic designers, video editors, and whatever the kind of service they sell to people, they does not get paid much, and because of that many people stop working with Indian clients. When they stop working with Indian clients, they try to switch with international clients, where you definitely going to get lot of money than an Indian client. Rich countries have lot of money, and they are definitely going to pay you much more than Indian clients, because they want a solution, not just the design. But that is not case with the Indian clients. Most of the time they just want a design. And on the other hand, if you work with international clients, they are easy to get, they will pay you more, but you have to deliver a level of work that you can get those kind of clients. But here is a catch: if you work with international clients, you have to improve your English, because if you don't speak English properly, just like me, my English is actually not good, and I always try to improve myself. So the thing is, whenever you try to work with the international clients who want a big money for your work, you have to set a meeting with them. In meeting, you have to speak, brother. And if you want to speak, have to know a good level of English where you can communicate easily with the others. So I'm a mostly introvert person who doesn't have much confidence when talking to international clients, and that thing really bothering me, was many clients ghosted me because my communication skills were so bad. I still regret back then why I haven't learned English sooner. So this is the all what I wanted to tell you, that you want to work with the international client who are going to pay you much more money than an Indian client. So you just have to learn English, a fluent English, and you also should be working on your confidence building. You also should be working on your how you talk, how you communicate with the others, and what are your plans. And you have to work so hard so you can get international clients, because getting an international client is so easy, but keeping with them it not actually is. And if you are a thumbnail designer who want to level up his thumbnails, so make sure you click on this playlist where you get so many videos about how to level up as a thumbnail designer.